everybody, I'm Mrs. Boschman and these are my helpers, and we're going to teach you a dance to the song Cross Canada by Stompin' Tom Connors. So it's really easy, there's lots of repeating, and I think it's lots of fun. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start with our right foot. Anytime you hear C-A-N-A-D-A, your foot's going to go front, back, front together. Ready? Go. C-A-N-A-D-A together, and you're going to shake to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bring it in. Do it again. C-A-N-A-D-A together, shake, 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 slide. Good. Again, C-A-N-A-D-A together, shake, 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 slide together. 4 step claps when it says in Canada. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we snap, and we snap, and we snap, and we snap. Good job. Now we're going to do something called a grapevine. So we're going to take our right foot and we're going to go open, behind, open, together. Good. Other way. Open, behind, open, together. We're going to do 4 marches in one spot, and you can make them funny if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is my favorite part. Jump your feet apart, and your knees are going to go in and out, and your hands go like this. Good job. And then we do it again. C-A-N-A-D-A together. Shake, 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 slide, and then back to our clap. Canada, 3, 4, and snap, and snap, and snap, and snap. Very good. And then the whole thing repeats again. And then at the very, very end, you're going to do the step clap part 3 times. So let's do the step clap part 3 times. 1, that's the first time, and snap, snap, snap. Here's the second time. 2, and snap, snap, snap. One more time. 3, 4, snap, 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 and then you're going to do a fancy ending. We're going to try a step click with our heels. So we're going to try a step click and hit a pose. You try it. Go. Ready, go. Step,